Hello everyone, Cyberarena is back with another video. You guys know that I am conducting a video series about how to become a hacker or how to become a penetration tester. On previous video, I explained what is cybersecurity and types of hackers. On this video, I am going to explain how to become a hacker level by level and how we can absorb the knowledge that we need for hacking. First thing that we need to be a penetration tester is a mindset. In the defensive side of the cybersecurity, your mindset should be act for protecting things. You can hack, but it should be legally. I have categorized 5 criteria that we should have knowledge to be a penetration tester. First one is operating systems. For operating systems, I choose Linux. At least you need intermediate level knowledge about Linux. I have chosen this course for you from Linux Foundation. Second one is networking. We should know what is networking, what are the protocols that we using in networking, how we connected, how the packets are transmitting, what is the security level of the device. For networking, I have choose 4 free courses. First one, Network and Security Foundation from edX. This one also a free course. Second one is Computer Networking from Audacity. This one also a intermediate level free course. For third one, I have choose Windows Server. As a penetration tester, you should know how the Windows servers are working. For Windows Server, I have choose 3 courses. First one is Windows Server Management and Security from Coursera. Second one is Introduction to Windows Server 2012 and Linux for Beginners. From this course, you can have the knowledge of Windows Server and Linux. From here, you can see what are the topics that you can learn from this course. And here is the Linux part. From this course, you have understand virtual machines, know how to install Windows Server 2012, understand the basics of Windows Server 2012, understand basic Windows batch scripting, understand how to install, remove roles on Windows Server 2012. Next one is Microsoft Windows Server 2012 Training Full Tracks from Udemy. From this course, you can learn these things. Fourth one is web development. For web development, I have choose w3schools.com. On web development, learning HTML and CSS, you can understand the websites. JavaScript is important to understand the client-side vulnerabilities. We learn SQL and PHP for understanding the backend vulnerabilities. After you learn web scripting softwares, we should move to the 5th one, the programming. For programming, I am recommending Python. From using Python, you can create your own tools and testing scripts. If you want to step into reverse engineering, malware analysis and exploit development, can start C++, C#, C and assembly. To learn programming for free, Code Academy also a best place. After you learn these 5 main criteria, you have obtained the knowledge to become a hacker. Now you know about operating systems, Windows Server, networking, web development and programming. Now you can combine all these knowledge together and start to hack. Now we have knowledge, so only we have to train ourselves. For that, let's see what are the penetration testing labs that we can use to train ourselves. First one is VulnHub. VulnHub provides materials that allows anyone to gain practical hands-on experience in digital security, computer software and network administration. The second penetration testing lab is Hack the Box. Hack the Box is an online platform allowing you to test your penetration testing skills and exchange ideas and methodologies with thousands of people in the security field. Third one is Hack the Site. Hack the Site is kind of old, but it is also good for penetration testing. Hack the Site org is free, safe, and legal training ground for hackers expand their ethical hacking skills with challenges, CDFs, and more. The fourth one is DVWA. If you are interested in web-based penetration testing, this will be good for you. Download this from over here and put it into a virtual machine and test it. So I think now you have an idea how to become a penetration tester. I will put all the links on the description, and thanks for watching.